Pawar asked party men to be ready for Lok Sabha polls. Sara Pacheco files another complaint of forgery against Mickey. Hearing on disqualification petition of Churchill and Reginald begins. And it's premier time for Goan football coaches. Manchester City Hull City coaches to train Goan coaches. Now the news in detail. NCP President Sharad Pawar has told his party men in Goa to get ready for Lok Sabha elections. Sources confirm that NCP plans to contest North Goa's seat for upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Here's a report.
Sharad Pawar arrived in Goa on Sunday for a 2-day stay. NCP President is staying at Kingfisher Villa at Kandoli. On Sunday morning, state NCP leaders including Dr. Wilfred D'Souza, Surendra Sirsad, Minister Mickey Pacheco, Joseph Philip D'Souza, TV MLA Nilkant Halankar and others met Sharad Pawar at Kandoli. The meeting went for more than an hour. No details of meetings were given by NCP leaders. However, sources told Prudent Media that NCP President has plans to contest Lok Sabha election for North Goa seat. On 10th of January, another meeting of NCP would be held to decide on other issues and also about Lok Sabha election. But it was a lucky day for Mickey Pacheco. As per sources, party did not come hard on tourism minister. There was reports of Mickey Pacheco's ministry being in trouble due to his remarks on government and Sara Pacheco issue. Now all eyes are on 10th of January, the day party might take some hard decision in this matter.
Sara Pacheco has filed another forgery case against Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco for selling 2 flats through false documents. Sara claims these 2 flats were in hers and Mickey's name.
I had lodged one more complaint against Mickey regarding he had forged my signature and done agreement of sale. He had forged my signature without my knowledge, and he had done it without me. And yeah, 2 flats on the first floor of the building. Fransa House. And there is no photo of the owner, photo and the fingerprints. Only there is a photo and fingerprints of the purchaser on that sale deed, which I got here. It's in Betalbat. It's flats where Mickey is staying. It's mine and Mickey's flats. House. Fransa House. On the first floor, 2 flats. He's not fit to be the minister by doing cheating everything like this. This is a second forgery case.
Forging her signature, sold to somebody from Concon. Then she began to investigate and find out about the status of the other properties. And that's how she learned that, okay, this is done in this case. And there's, like she says, there's yet more to come.
But I've still not got the papers in my hand. So I should get a proof, everything. And as soon as I get all the details, then I'll make more complaints on him.
In Panji, this is Rakesh Kandolkar for Prudent Media.
The hearing of the disqualification petition filed by Mickey Pacheco against Churchill Alimao and Reginald Lawrence was held on Monday. Speaker Pratap Singh Rane directed them to introduce all legal documents of SGF with Congress. Mike Mehta represented Reginald Lawrence as his legal advisor, whereas Walanka Alimao represented her father Churchill Alimao. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.